Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're throwing two drones into the ring, the Holy Stone HS360S and the ATTOP drone. It's a battle of the skies, folks. Will the Holy Stone soar to new heights, or will the ATTOP drone steal the show? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the moolah. The Holy Stone HS360S comes in at a cool $209. Yeah, it's like buying a small island, but hey, it's a flying camera. On the other side, we have the ATTOP drone, priced at just $99. That's cheaper than a night out with your friends, if you have any. Next, let's dive into the camera quality. The Holy Stone HS360S boasts a 4K UHD camera with a Galaxy Core sensor. It's like having a mini James Cameron in the sky. You can capture stunning 3,840 by 2,160p photos and videos. Meanwhile, the ATTOP drone offers a 2K camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. It's like comparing a blockbuster movie to a soap opera. Both entertaining, but one's definitely got more pixels. According to reviews, the HS360S is fantastic for real estate photography and aerial surveying, while ATTOP users find it decent for casual use, but not as sharp. Now, let's talk about connectivity. The Holy Stone HS360S lets you connect your smartphone to the controller with just one cable. No Wi-Fi needed. It's like magic, but with wires. On the flip side, the ATTOP drone connects via the ATTOP Club app, giving you a real-time panoramic view up to 292 feet away. It's like a drone with commitment issues. It keeps its distance. Reviewers appreciate the Holy Stone for its stable connection, while ATTOP users mention occasional app issues. Range and battery life, the bread and butter of drone flying. The Holy Stone HS360S offers a whopping 10,000 feet range and a 20-minute flight time. You could fly to the next town and back. The ATTOP drone, however, has a more modest range of about 292 feet, but also offers a 20-minute flight time with its dual batteries. It's like the tortoise and the hare, one's got the speed, the other's got the stamina. Reviewers love the HS360S for its long-range capabilities, while ATTOP users appreciate the dual batteries despite the shorter range. Let's talk GPS. The Holy Stone HS360S has advanced GPS functionality, ensuring a safe return home when the battery runs low or the connection breaks. It's like having a drone with a built-in homing pigeon. The ATTOP drone also has a one-key return feature, but it might need a little more encouragement to come back. It's like your dog. Sometimes it listens, sometimes it chases squirrels. Reviewers find the Holy Stone's GPS features reliable, while the ATTOP's return function is hit or miss. Finally, user-friendliness. The Holy Stone HS360S offers a beginner mode and optical flow positioning. Even your grandma could fly this thing. The ATTOP drone is also easy to play with one-button takeoff and landing, plus it has a built-in G sensor for a VR experience. It's like playing a video game, minus the rage quitting. Reviewers commend the HS360S for being beginner-friendly, while the ATTOP drone is noted for its ease of use, but has mixed feedback regarding its performance in windy conditions. Overall, the Holy Stone HS360S is praised for its high-resolution camera, reliable connectivity, long-range capabilities, and beginner-friendly features. It's seen as a great entry-level drone for both beginners and more experienced pilots. On the other hand, The ATTOP drone is appreciated for its affordability and ease of use, though it has some mixed reviews regarding connectivity and performance in windy conditions. So there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone HS360S is like the luxury car of drones, packed with features, but with a price tag to match. The ATTOP drone is the budget-friendly option. It's got the basics covered and a few fun extras. Which one will you choose? High-flying luxury or budget-friendly fun? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another smart buy. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.